This is what we're picking up first. Look at pickup. I'm on my way to pick some stuff up, so I just gotta drive to my favorite spot. The little spot right here is my little favorite spot in the summer. There's a lot of stuff here, so why not drive past, see what we find. Microwave over here. We're not leaving nothing. Everything we're putting in the truck. As I say, we never full the truck before, you know. I have some work I gotta do on the truck, so I'm not driving a lot, so but we see this one, we're not leaving it. So let's put it in. Nice. Alright, man.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Have a nice day.
You too, man.
See you next time.
Alright, anytime, man.
Yeah, thank you.
Leaving work last night and I see these things, I was like, I'm coming back. I was like, I'm coming back. Yo! This is... let's go to the scrapyard. See how much we gotta get paid. Welcome back, YouTube. Who don't subscribe yet, subscribe. Leave a like, leave a comment. So we on our way to the scrapyard now. This is the scrapyard, so this is what I have to show you guys. I never show you, so I gotta wait on that light there to turn green. So my truck now is on a scale. So I'm just there waiting on that light to turn green. You see that it turned green? So now I go in the back and then throw out, come back and do the same. So this is what the scrapyard look like. You know? I go there, go. You know? And look at that, my truck is still there, my whole truck. I don't know if nobody can see it. That one there, that's it. That's my whole truck right there. Oh. So we gotta throw it out now and come back. No, I cut. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Alright man, take care. Huh? I know, I'm lazy, those one. Take care for one. I know. So you see the truck is empty now. I just gotta take these 2 small pieces off. I get back to you when I'm finished. So now we're on our way back out. So we gotta wait on that light to turn green. So we go on the scale. We're gonna make a stop right here. We're gonna wait on that light to turn green. Waiting. Still not green. They're still weighing the truck. Waiting. Nothing. So the light is green now I go. So catch me, you're gonna see the ticket soon. Way back from the scrapyard, so that's what I just sold. The fridge, stove, washer, I think, and I have a catalytic converter. I make $457.75 from that loan. So it's a good payday. So get back to you guys.